1, 2, 1, 2. Hello, guys. Good morning. Let's see if everything is all right. It should be actually. Yeah. And we are live. Good morning, guys. Let's see what markets have to offer us today. It's Tuesday, 27th, 26th, 20, 25th. Sorry. And let's see what opportunities we can find in the market today. I'm really curious on how the traditional markets will behave, because we are quite in a toppy area. Let's say we are putting some bearish divergence here, and if traditional markets are going down, I don't think that Bitcoin will hold the line. But as you can see, we have no, maybe we can put a name here. That would be a trigger. Morning auto. Hello, man. But until then, let's play our Monday range. Let's see what we can have. Let's pick 3 pairs. Let's see what we can have here. So have a gap. Exactly. That's what my first thought. It looks really juicy. Basically, we have a setup here. If we go on a 15 minutes time frame, we have a clean setup here. They broke the structure to the downside, but maybe this is the retest. It looks juicy, indeed. But still, I want this Monday high to be taken. We are really close to it. And if they take it, I think I'll short S&P here. With a 5 minutes retracement, if I see it retracing back in the range. Hey, Carol. Hello, man. So this area should be resistance now. Asia low, Monday high, Monday low. Yeah, that would be ideal. I don't have the session on my screen, but let's put the sessions. This is New York high, as you can see. So yeah. Let's put some alarms here and go to the next chart. I'm not interested in touching this one. A little bit too happy. We are in short reload zone. I don't know, maybe a quick scalp for a long, but what I'll play, I'll play the deviation of and sweep of Monday high. Same on Bitcoin. Shit. Same stuff here. I would play along around this area. They can make a range here on 15 minutes, let's say. Usually what happens after we have a drop like this area will be like range high until they find and build enough liquidity in order to get out of the range. So this would be the range low. So if we scalp, for example, intraday, I think we should look at these two areas for the moment. Even though I don't like it because it's a 500, not even $500 range. Yeah, $500 range. The volume is at max, Carol, from my part. Let me see advanced properties. Maybe I can tweak something off. But I mean, everyone, just let me know. Is the sound low? Maybe it's just from your end. Yeah, sounds good. Okay, thanks, Soto. Basically, on Bitcoin, we have a short setup now. And even here, we had a short setup. But usually, I don't like to play the setup on a range because the setup that I play is not usually for a range. And we had the range here. And you can see liquidity. They broke the structure here. They came back to retest. And again, this is more like a break of structure, not a market structure shift. Because we already came from a downward movement. So it's like a continuation for the moment. Yeah, I changed the alarms, Otto. But wait, it will get triggered. It will get triggered. Bitcoin dominance is in the same range. Damn, not moving. Now it's beep beep beep. Yeah, exactly. Let's see, old euro, old fellow euro. What are you doing? They started the sell off. Not really. We are on support zone here. Can go even here. Yeah, Carol, for sure. I will check it. Definitely, I'll check it. No worries. No way, they took Monday low already. €1. Man, it was such a clean setup. When you took it, okay. No, thank you. They took it on Asia. Not too many things that I can do. It was so clean. Oh my god. Next bus. Yeah, maybe they take liquidity again here. But we have a bullish market structure shift here, here, and here. So maybe we get a retest. Ew, what is this, Dax? So they already played the setup. Why? Let's see US oil. No, US oil didn't. Neither. They took it. So they played the setup in Asia. You see, they played it in the Asian session. They closed the daily around here. They took the low and then they brought the structure to the upside. Same stuff. You can see a little SFU here. Yeah, nothing we can do about that one. One second. Okay, back. So they kind of already played the setup. Hey, Niku, on Dodge. You're all in on Dodge. E-Gold? Yesterday we were all in on Dodge. egod. What's egod? And if we look at this on how Kevin likes to see an altcoin, look at the rejections of 200 M on daily. It just doesn't want to, just doesn't want to go above. Dodge, yeah, yeah, not looking bad. Daily is looking very good. Actually, this can be a bottom information because the SFU they took liquidity. They have no purpose on going lower now. You can see liquidity sweep, and we can have like a double bottom formation on weekly. Not looking bad. I saw your post, but this is not looking bad at all. I don't know what's egod. This is a meme. It's a internal joke. What's this? egod. At least traditional market is moving, even though Bitcoin doesn't want to move. Traditional market is moving and has some volatility. They played it a little bit too fast. They played it on 1 minute here, but they played it. So DAX is gone. Euro, it's gone. Already played it. Gold is gone. We are left with US oil and S&P. Waiting for this year. Ah, this is internal joke. I didn't, I didn't got it in the beginning. Let's see some altcoins. Let's scan a bit. Doge is looking strong. Very strong. They are opening new position like crazy. Open interest is going higher. That's a sustained pump. They are trying to pump altcoins, I see. Or shitcoins. I don't like to see Doge and Shiba Inu. And football on the top earners. I don't want to see that. Let's higher the time frame a bit. I don't know, not even TAG. I mean TAG if you want dodge or the strong ones, but I can't see any setup. Location it's structure it's ugly. This looks like it wants to break down. Maybe something like this. And we have a setup then. Ugly market. Maybe only dodge is making sense now. That's why people are buying it. DMB. Yeah, I think that's all you can do. I think that's all you can do right now, Paul. I think that's all you can do. Yes, Carol, we have a setup. Let's see high time frame. Where are we? Yeah, KNC, Maker, and Dodge. These are really strong now. And Theta, I see. We are on this W breaker here, retesting this W, so we have a 4-hour location. Also in the big reload zone was touched. Pump is sustained. 1 hour no divergence. 30 minutes bearish divergence on MACD. Yes, it can be, Carol. I don't have too much trust in it. So what I would do to maximize it, maybe waiting for an LJ. But yeah, you have the setup here. One second, let me turn off the AC because I'm making ice on my nose. Yeah, there you go. Maker, I like the structure on Maker. Mm, but we are approaching some sort of resistance here from multiple ways, as I can see. So I know some of you guys ask me how to play this deviation. What do you want to look for? It's look for a previous day array, like an area where the market can deviate back in the range. So you have to identify that point where they might reverse, yeah, and then you wait for the trigger. And in this example, we take previous day high, and that's Monday high. If you put it like this, okay, we have Monday high. Let's have a replay here. Okay, there we go. And this is where you are interested in playing a potential reversal, because we concluded this the previous day high. It's Monday high. Once the price is getting in that area, I'm not trying to do short SFU straight anymore. I'm not doing that anymore, because in this way, on the way that I show you now, you can avoid that SFU which fails and the price is going and going. What actually you want to look for, let's go on 2 minutes. You want to go on a low time frame to understand the structure. And you can see first we have one SFU here, but then I'm interested to see if they close above it and they start consolidating above it, or they start to just deviate, maybe put an M here, go back underneath and dumps. And if it does that, you can play it in two ways. You have your order prepared. Let's see at the price. You can see already an M formed and displaced to the downside. This displacement usually is the signal that market wants to go lower. Yeah. So that displacement was a signal that the market wants to go lower here. And if you are quick enough, actually on traditional markets, if you want to play this, you have to be really quick. When you saw that they are closing back candle inside, you had like 2 minutes to get the position. So here you would have taken this position like this. And then weekly open is a good area to take some partial, and then Monday mid range. But usually you're targeting previous day low. You're targeting Monday low. And you can see they are going for Monday low. I missed this one. But this is essentially how you want to play it. This is the same stuff I'll be waiting for on. I don't know which one is left. On oil. Oil. What the hell is going on? Oil played the setup already? No, it didn't. That gap, it's interesting. So I'm looking for the same stuff here on oil, having some alarms and target Monday low. You got it, Carol? Yeah. It's simple, but you have to be very quick on this one. And you have to look for these key levels like SFU of the previous week high. We have a very important liquidity level and stuff like that. But this stuff with Monday low and Monday high, it's working incredibly well. Incredibly well. As you can see here. You just have to be really quick. Usually I look on 1 minute on this type of chart because you only have it in London Tuesday. Until New York, it's usually done. Come on, S&P, what are you doing? Not too much. Okay, what the XY did here. So most of them have been already played in Asia, but how beautiful they have been played. That's insane. That's actually perfect. So Auto next bus. If you would have played Asia, big profits already. Oftentimes Asia provides really nice I like my sleep. Provides really nice setups. But exactly as you say, you need I mean we need sleep. Same stuff on Chehashev here. Oh wow. Okay. Damn, we need less sleep, I think, to make money. Now I understand why Carol was doing that stuff on Dex. Let me see if you guys can. Ah, no, you can't see it. Let me put the snip here. I got in this one again and sold. Wanted to sell here at double, but I was sleeping. But now I can see I can see the opportunity on I can see the opportunity on Dex. It's insane. It's really insane. I only played this one's Rocco. Euro GBP, DAX, US 500, USD CHF, Or if you don't want USD CHF, you can play USD CAD. So have the traditional pairs, then choose one a little bit more exotic, let's say, that is not necessarily pairing up with GBP and Euro. Because for example, if GBP and Euro they are going up, you want to look for a coin that is doing the opposite, let's say. Okay. And for example, USD CAD, it's a good choice because um, it's usually going against this one. US oil and gold. This one you can take a snip. DAX is very good to play. It's good to have a plan for each one of them. DAX is very good for DR play. Tuesday, all of them they are looking very good to play the setup. Yeah, although I can see the SFU and reclaim. Equal lows here, SFU. It can go for Monday high easily. And if you want to scalp, you can scalp on Euro and US 500. They are the best, in my opinion, to scalp on. If you feel like scalping. Go to Monday high auto. Yeah, not looking bad. Not looking bad. Thanks, Carol, for initiating me in Dex. It's really interesting. I have to say it's really nice. It's Wild West. It's really Wild West there, but it's nice. I have to say it. Let me check that one. You. I'm but I mean that's it. But I'm a little bit sad because they play the because they play the go baby baby. They play the setup on Asia, but that's it. I mean that's a trader's life. I can't do too much about that. That's a trader's life. But usually with this setup, you can be profitable on a funded account. You can be profitable. You don't need too much. You need just the setup, and that's the way to go. Bitcoin dominance is not invalidating this potential inverse head and shoulder. It stopped exactly on the left shoulder. Maybe Kevin was right. Oh, he mentioned it yesterday. Divergence as it should. It should be. We'll see. Was one more coin from Dex. There you go. You remember that one with low cap from yesterday, which I showed you, Carol? Yeah. Espresso. Look at it. It's back at my entry. uh, but it did 2 weeks. I'm just nibbling with 20 bucks and stuff like that, but I made some profits. It's crazy. Yeah. And this one had liquidity, you told me, like, I don't know, 50K or stuff like that. But I'm learning. I'm trying to understand the fundamental party and what's behind them, stuff like that. I don't think it's a casino though, and I know maybe you joke, but that's where the money is made. The other one was this one. They are doubling in price really easy. Yeah, I know you're not joking, Carol. I know you're not joking. This is why I started to nibble in it, to get interested in it. It's not easy, but it's really nice. How do I put my chart? 1 second. I think I need to add, in OBS, I need to add a window maybe. Never mind, I don't want to break this. I can see it, Carol. I'm working on a. Hey Talmudi, I was. It's depending. Um, So basically, I'm waiting for Monday high and Monday low play, like we had here on DAX. You can see it was really clean setup. And I'm waiting the same stuff on S&P. Euro had it, GBP didn't have it. So I'm waiting for S&P and the GBP today to play the setup on. And US oil, same stuff. I'm waiting here for the high to be swept. So that's for the traditional market. And Bitcoin, I said I think that we'll start putting a range here, but if I see a sweep of Monday low, I will try to long if I see the reclaim back up. I'll try to long this one. 2 weeks ago, I remember, or 3 weeks ago, we had a really nice setup with Monday low sweep that went parabolic. It went to 14R, I think, for who held it, or something like that. It was really nice one. And then I was speaking about on-chain, and I started nibbling into chain trading. Not trading. I'm trying to make a strategy. I'm um I'm doing a lot of research, and in the same time I'm documenting a lot on my journal because it's the wild west there. I mean, if you don't have a plan and if you don't sell, they will go to zero from what I saw. So you really need to buckle that profits. If not, you will go down with the project. And I don't think that they care about fib levels. Those projects, they don't look like they care about fib levels. Maybe you can tell me from your experience, Carol. They don't look like they care about any technical analysis. I think all about them is fundamental analysis and FOMO to the public and how well the reach is spread. I mean Uniswap and stuff like that, like coins like this one. Like espresso. Why do you say that, Paul? I just asked. I didn't say that it's not working. I asked and I stated that I think that they don't care about technical analysis. I haven't said that it's not working or because I'm using this for my setup. I'm profitable using Fibonacci and TA and confluences. But in the way that they move, they don't seem to care about equal lows, equal highs, and stuff like that. But yeah, maybe as Carol said, if they have millions market cap, yeah, they start to respect it. But illiquid coins like 50K, indeed, they don't care about the TA. And I saw that yeah, they can print a 100 plus candle in a 2 minutes, a 5 minutes candle. That's crazy. Nothing. Nothing. Yeah, I heard about a good project that it has uh, listings on different chains, Binance or stuff like that. It's Unibot, if I'm not mistaken. This one is a little bit too high, but I know they will start listing this one. And I know it's not a good place to look for them, but let's see, maybe we can find it here. No, I'm not closing. Yeah, it's SFUing, you can see. But if I see a candle body close below this area, I'm cutting this one. This is really important SFU area. If they want to pump, they pump from here. If not, they go to zero. Unibot. Uniswap. Yeah, this one. They want to list this one. Maybe I can nibble. And this one I know has a lot of liquidity, so I think I will nibble at Fib levels. But maybe I'll hunt an LG or stuff like that. You can easily make 2x on this one, I think, if it's getting listed on exchange. Euro dumping. Like no tomorrow. Why? Ah, okay. I double here on DXY. What I like about them is that they don't care um, about Bitcoin. These projects, if Bitcoin pumps or dumps, they really don't. I think it looks like it doesn't matter for them. Ethereum is still there. Let's see Ethereum Bitcoin because we made a nice movement yesterday. But okay, it's going to the plan. We broke this channel. We broke this channel, but maybe a retest and then go higher or straight higher from here. Maybe something like this. From this area. You'd better ask Carol, but I don't think you can put limit orders there. Carol is the man to answer to that question. Yeah, you don't. Whoa, okay. Ah, what are you doing? Okay. I think we had news here. Maybe low impact. Let's see. I will take this long if they close like SFU. Let's wait for scandal. What do you mean, Raresh, by Chefix is not for short? You want to short here at this potential huge double bottom? With lots of bull divergence. And no, I'm not longing. I'm not getting long on euro. Wild move here. Quite some liquidity entered the markets. Maybe give it a chance. Let's see. I'm going to wait for 5 minutes. I don't trust this movement here. But I think 5 minutes is a little bit too late. 3 minutes it closed like an SFU. I don't know. FAFO. Yeah, let's FAFO. If they want to give me an entry here, okay. If not, I'll take the half of this candle. Retest of daily open, maybe. Yeah. Let's create a limit order on paper. Dodge. Yeah, yeah. It looks like it looks a little bit heavy on these weeks here. It did. And at the SFU, we have some OBV divergence. RSI. Yeah, maybe it's going for these equal lows here. That's opportunity to long, in my opinion. Look at the 1 hour. Look at the 1 hour TAG. How beautiful it worked here, 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 here. Maybe I'm watching. Maybe I'll be watching this one. It's not looking too bad. 2 hour is looking even better, but a little bit too long for my taste. But it's not looking bad. See euro 5 minutes how it closed. We have an SFU confirmed on 5 minutes. But this one can go easily, can go lower. Let's see. I took 0.25 on this one. This is just for paper trade purpose to have it on the screen, but not the value that I took. um, we don't have AGLD on. We have it just spot. Oh wow! Let me see where we are. Sorry, I thought that I muted. We are definitely coming in a location, but this sell-off, I think we had a short on this one. What happened is that a lot of people sold a half on a double kind of order in this area, so you definitely have location for this one. Even like this, you see, good location. Let's go 1 hour. Lots of bullish divergence indeed. Let's see 15 minutes. Maybe we have a setup on 15 minutes. I don't know. It looks like down only, you can see. Usually when you have a chart like this, what they do, they will do some SFUs. Yeah, they will SFU and then they will pump. So, I mean, this is me. This is how I would play an altcoin. And then I would look for a setup because here it's just this W. I think it's a 3-step. If you want to take it, you can take it like a 3-step setup and take the W. You have indicators confirmation, you have long reload zone, the big long reload zone, and that's it. You can take it. If this candle is closing below, let's see, has to close above the previous day low, 1 day low, and it closed above. Still, they want to sell this one. And they want to dump it. Let's see. I was quite late to the party on. We should have waken up at Asia to catch the movement for the Monday range, but it is what it is. We can't catch all the movement in the market. Doge is giving an entry for who wants to take it here. Though indeed I don't like this 1 hour candle wicks. You can see it in the past when you have wicks like that, a little dump is coming. But that's just a buying opportunity. Look at this liquidity. They took liquidity and then pump. You can see the same stuff here. The same pattern. Ouch. And minus 0.425. Next bus. Let's see where the DXY wants to go. US. I'll try US if I get the chance. Yeah, so Peter for our gold you can FAFO on this W and you can take it. I'm just going to put it for a paper trade. I stopped using other setups, but let's see. I think you're out, Otto, from gold. This candle took lots of liquidity. Downside, upside. Look at this. If you don't have a take profit plan, look at this one. So I had a lot of discussions with many guys from Discord regarding taking partials and making a plan for taking partial, because once you get in a position you don't want to ask yourself where you take partial. So I think it's very important to have a partial take profit plan made from the beginning. That's just me. I don't know. There are many ways to take profits, a lot of ways where you can create a system to take profit. Many people use EMA cross, can use standard deviation. You can use uh, 1R or 2R behind the price action. So when the price gets at 2 risk to reward, you move the stop loss at break even and then you move with the R. There's a lot of ways, but what you need to do is just create a system for taking profits, because most of the time you will take those profits home. Yeah, 2R behind the price action. So it hit 2R, break even. It hit 3R, your stop loss is here. It hit 4R, your stop loss is here. And stuff like that, yeah. 5R, your stop loss is here. Because you will get those profits back, and I don't think you want that. Or at least this is like a full take profit strategy. If you don't want a full take profit strategy, then create a partial one. I'll take 25 at deviation 1, 40, and full take profit here or here. Look how good what a good idea it was here. Just create a system and make a plan. Paul oftentimes says that the plan is what makes it profitable, because anyone can throw setups at the market. but not everyone can respect a setup, a plan. Sorry. I think anyone can take 3, 4 setups and then just throw them at the market. But they have no idea where to take the profit, where to put the stop loss, how to trail that, how to maximize the profits, how to add to a winning position. There's a lot of things, and these things you can only do with a plan. If you have a plan, then you can make money. And we close the 4-hour candle, and we close it above SFU level. So I'm alright on keeping this one, even though it's underwater. We have a bullish market structure shift, you can see it here. But this is what I don't like. They close the candle body below this one. And US is crossing. Let's see. We short? Oh no, it's not crossing yet. Maybe we get a win on this one. Yes, Dalmudi, exactly. A setup should include take profits, but take profits, it's about execution. And execution has to be objective, not subjective. A lot of people get emotional when it comes to take profit or stop loss because you can see your money going up and down. And if you don't follow the plan, then you will not be able to book those profits. Let's see. Let's go in 1 minute. Maybe we get a short. A good shorting opportunity here. Maybe. Maybe. Sorry. Come on, come on, come on. Usually they give you like 5 minutes to take the setup. Let's see if it wants to dump, because I see it's pumping. Come on. And we have an SFU. Let's see how they close this candle. 0.25, the same stuff. But waiting, I'm not shorting yet. I want to see candle body closing below or some sort of structure here and then down. That can be played with OCO. Let's see. We have the 5 minutes candle body closing in 1 minute, so this can be an early indication that they want to dump. Let's see. Oh, they don't have it on Pepperstone. Yeah, these motherfuckers, they didn't do the liquidity on capital.com. You mean CME? Auto? We have a 5 minutes candle confirmation here. Yes, it's going higher on CME. Let's get my ATR up. I see. I'll give it 30 points here for the SFU. I'll take it. Point 25, guys. Maybe I should FAFO, or maybe I should not FAFO. Am I a greedy goblin that I'm not entering here? I might be a greedy goblin. Okay, I'm taking it here. Now we pray. The best setup. The downside of not having CME, I think I'll have to get that CME. I think it's really helpful for scalping like this. In situation like this, it's really helpful. It's holding there with both hands. And another 5 minutes candle closed. Let's draw this top of the gap. We have a nice gap here to be filled. I think I need to help him to dump. Where is that hammer? Go. Dump. Dump today. Stop holding. Come on. Let's Let's make some money. Come on. What is he doing there? What the hell is he thinking about? Just go down. We need PJ to short here. Yeah, KNC didn't give an entry. I was waiting for this equal low sweep. Greedy Goblin at its finest. Paul, can you please short SMP? We need BlackRock to short it. Yeah, whatever. It looks like it wants to to spend some time there. Come on, take my stop loss. I'm not mad if you want to take my stop loss. But move. What is he waiting for? I don't get it. What's going on here? He's waiting for futures. Maybe. And the volatility is really out. Let's see. Because I think we had GBP too. Yeah. And US oil. Ah, already dumping. Come on, oil. Are you dumping now? Without a sweep. So they took you out on gold and now they are pumping. That's ugly. Come on. Man, the volatility it's out from the markets. Only altcoins look like they want to move. But Bitcoin is but that's good. I mean if Bitcoin wants to spend some time here, but we need this Bitcoin dominance to go down, not to make a inverse head and shoulder and then go out. Mixed feelings here on the markets, I don't know. And they close the candle inside. This can still be a deviation. We'll see. If I take a stop loss, I take a stop loss. That would be minus 0.5 for today. But it worth to play these setups because the risk to reward ratio is really high. So usually I just hit 3 setups. I give every Tuesday 3 chances for this setup. And not on the same asset. So for example, we tried Euro sweep. I'm trying S&P sweep, and maybe I'll try US oil if I get a chance, or GBP. And that's it. And with one win, you can easily make up for the losses. Like you saw on DAX, it went to 6 risk to reward here. So really nice. But they played the Asia had a lot of volatility. Markets had a lot of volatility during Asia. That was Euro. No way. No way you did this. UMFR. It reclaimed the range. You bastard. Let's see. Tomo. Bearish or bullish? Some bearish stuff is going on here. It needs to close below this line. If we get a candle body closing below, then retest, and then boom. Yeah, Carol, exactly. 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 So this can just be a liquidity sweep, the liquidity, reclaim back, and then can go higher. And also you want to see left. Watch left. We don't have too much going on left side. This is going higher. So what I would do, I would long this one. If I get a chance here, that's a good long opportunity here. I want to long this one. Where is the volatility? It's gone. Not too many things going on, guys. Piotr, seems like your W is getting retested right now, so you have to fuffle to find out if this will work or not. That would be it for today, guys. Not too many things, not too many setups, let's say. I'm in this short on ES. I tried Euro, they already reclaimed, so you can see. Actually, if you go on 1 minute, there is a setup. It's a bullish market structure shift created here. SFU, broad structure here. They made the most of the moves in the Asia session, so not too many things left for London. Let's see, Dodge. Yeah, we have just an SFU here. I think that's a market structure shift on low time frame. Swing high, swing low, higher high, lower low. Yeah, here you have it. But be careful with Dodge. Dodge, it's if Elon Musk is posting that one can fly. Yeah, that would be it, guys, from my part for today. Not too much volatility, sadly, as the most of the setups were played in Asia. Mm. So don't forget to leave a like if you want to join us on Discord and trade with us. We are daily streaming there, premium side and general part too. There's a lot of days when we have streaming for the general public. And if you want to scalp and learn how to trade, then we have the VIP section where you can join us. We have 20 spots limited, and there, me and Paul, we are taking care of it on scalping level, swing trading, even position trading. And don't forget to check out the little old lady plan from Weekly Crypto Review that's made by Paul and Kevin. That's a lot of quality. Thank you very much, guys, for watching, and see you later. Bye bye.